Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Khan Academy. So talking about the important hiring opportunities which are announced from the PwC. So guys, PwC hiring has been started and there will be two different opening from the PwC and Associate Full Stack Developer Generative AI Data Ethics Advisory Program, and this is for Gurgaon location. Okay, so guys, this is for Gurgaon location. As a full stack developer, you are going to apply. If you have some exposure to generative AI or full stack development, then you are going to apply in this. What is the end date for this hiring? That is August 21, but you have to apply before 21st of August because application will close soon. What is the criteria that you can clearly see, guys? 0 to 2 years of experience, the AI or ML engineering, relevant skills and proficiency in the programming language such as Python, experience with data processing. Okay, AI or ML knowledge you should have, ML oops knowledge you should have. BTech, MTech, MB or MC students can definitely apply. Guys, this is the biggest hiring opportunity from the PwC after long time, like pure technical hiring. ये जो प्योर टेक्निकल हायरिंग अभी तक ओपन नहीं हुई है, अभी पीडब्ल्यूसी इंडिया की हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी ओपन हुई थी, बट अगर आप प्योर टेक्निकल हायरिंग में जाना चाहते हैं, टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट्स, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली अप्लाई इन दिस हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो आपकी हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी एसोसिएट फुल स्टैक डेवलपर के लिए होने वाली, यू कैन ट्राई इन दिस वन. नेक्स्ट गाइज, एक और हायरिंग है आपकी एसोसिएट टेक्निकल एमएस इंजीनियर एंड दिस इज फॉर कोलकाता लोकेशन. इसमें क्राइटेरिया क्या होने वाला है गाइस? इसमें भी आपकी बीटेक और बी की स्टूडेंट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एमबी और एमसी वाली एलिजिबल नहीं है अप्लाई करने के लिए. ओके, criteria it is almost same like 0 to 2 years of experience and app tech ms engineering in team you are going to work, like problem solving skills you should have, basic knowledge of the computer hardware and software and networking fundamentals, some other technical skills that they are mentioned. Okay, they have mentioned. So guys, as a associate technical ms engineer you are going to apply. So these two hirings from the pwc, very important hiring opportunity for freshers. If you are from the btech mb or mca, you are eligible to apply. आप दोनों ही hirings में apply कर सकते हैं. Next hiring, which is from the Airtel Payment Bank, they are hiring for the software development engineer as a SDE. You are going to apply as a SDE, so you should have 1 to 2.5 year per experience. Like this is for experienced candidate. Now, next hiring, which is from the IQVIA. So IQVIA generally send the response also the student like on an assessment and interviews. So guys, you can definitely apply associate QA analyst. You are going to apply, and this is full time opportunity. Posted 4 days ago. Okay, so what you are going to work? You are going to work in the testing field, understanding of the review requirement, like creating test cases, executing test cases, bachelor's degree in computer science related technical field, then you are going to apply in this hiring opportunity. Next hiring is which is from the Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra conducting walk-in drive in the Kolkata location as a customer support associate. As a customer support associate, you are going to apply fresher to 1 year of experience. Okay, and 2 days like week off also you are going to have, and 11th of August, like it is tomorrow, 11 to 14th of August, the interview like walk-in date will be there, like conducting the walk-in drive, and this is for Kolkata location, guys. Okay, so you can see the Tech Mahindra office also where you have to go for the walk-in drive, and what you have to do, you can directly contact them, you can directly send your resume on this email ID also. Guys, accused of one of the platform which is providing the online courses and opportunity also. Guys, आपको क्या करना है, अगर आप यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, opportunities को सर्च कर रहे हैं, like so many students are placed in the PwC, MathWorks. So guys, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, डायरेक्टली walk-in drives वो लोग कंडक्ट करवाते हैं और यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स प्लेस भी होते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला है एक्यूजॉब की तरफ से. अगर आप यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं तो यू हैव टू रेस्ट इन दिस वन, यू कैन एक्सप्लोर द अपॉर्चुनिटी. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कोर्सेज वगैरह भी आप यहाँ पे लाइक एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. और गाइस, यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटी भी एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे. नेक्स्ट हायरिंग विच इज फ्रॉम द पेटीएम हायरिंग विद द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर इंटर्न, दिस इज फॉर एंड्रॉइड. एंड व्हाट आर द क्राइटेरिया? करेंटली परसुइंग और रिसेंटली कंप्लीटेड डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंस इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड फील्ड. यू कैन ट्राई इन दिस हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑल्सो. ओके, नेक्स्ट हायरिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. दैट इज फ्रॉम दी like first source. Okay, so this is for BE, BTech, MC or BCA student, BSc IT with 0 to 2 years of experience, and virtual job fair will be there from the 11 to 13th of August. Okay, and how to apply in this one? You have to just fill this application form and you can apply in this one. This is from the first. So as a technical support engineer, you are going to apply. Company is First Source. This is good company. You have to register on this application form, and you can submit the application. HRM you can select anything. Okay, so you can apply in this one, guys. One last chance to apply in the Accenture SJG Connect season 4. Registration will close in the 10 hours. Okay, so guys, basically this is the last chance to apply. यहाँ पे आप कॉलेज एलिजिबल है अप्लाई करने के लिए. ऑल विच स्टूडेंट्स कैन अप्लाई. दिस कंटेंट्स टू ओपन टू ऑल फुल टाइम ग्रेजुएट्स एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स कैन अप्लाई, एंड engineering students also can apply from the top 30 colleges which are listed over here, and all batch student can apply. So this is the direct test hiring opportunity, no shortlisting, and pre-placement interviews also they are providing through the this hiring challenge in the Accenture. So do apply in this one because last chance, only 10 hours left for this hiring opportunity. One more platform, that is Harki platform. Here also some opportunities and session will be there. You can rest over here also to get the opportunities. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.